How to view BDO credit card statement online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily view and download your BDO credit card statement online. So first, open your browser and go to the official BDO website at www.bdo.com.ph. Once there, click on Login. After clicking Login, select Personal from the drop-down menu, then click on BDO Online Banking. Enter your user ID and password to log in to your account. Once you have logged in, you will be directed to your home page. Click on More Services, then select Credit Card Services from the options. On the credit card services page, click on the statement of account. Then choose the specific credit card you want to view the statement for and select the month or period you would like to see. After selecting the card and month, click Submit. Your statement of account will now appear on the screen. If you would like to save your statement, simply click the down arrow icon to download the file to your device. And that's how you view and download your BDO credit card statement online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.